Good morning, Ma'am Stephanie. This is my topic of measure of variation, variance, and standard deviation sample of theoretical model. First sample variance is s square root 2 equals sigma x minus x square root 2 over n minus 1. The second example standard deviation is s equals square root sigma x minus square root 2 then over n minus 1. Measure of variation by a standard deviation sample model is the mathematically equivalent to the theoretical formula. Save time with calculating by hands, does not use the mean, is more accurate when the mean has been rounded. Next is the sample variance is S2 is n sigma square root of 2 minus sigma minus 2. Then n. Good morning, ma'am. This is my topic of variance and standard deviation sample of theoretical model. The sample variance is square root 2 equals sigma x minus x square root 2 n minus 1. The sample standard deviation is s equals square root equal na siya divide sigma x minus x equals square root 2 minus n. Next is mathematically equivalent to the theoretical formula. Save time with the calculating by hands, does not use the mean, is more accurate when the mean has been rounded. The example variance is s square root n sigma is square root 2. So, may minus din yun siya, sigma x square root 2. Then, double na siya ang n. Kaning n i-ubka na siya down. N, then n minus 1. The simple standard deviation is s square root i-divide square root 2. So, example is find the variation standard deviation for the amount of European autos to sell for sample of 6 years. The data are in millions of dollars. So, nanatay 12.2, 11.9, 12.0, 12.8, 13.4, and 14.3. Muna siyang x niya. Then, x square root of 2 sa 11.2 is muna siya i-divide ni mo. 11.2 divide square root of 1, 25.44. 11 square root niyo sa 9 is 141.61. 12.0 square root of 2, mauna siya ang 144.0. Then 12.8 minus square root nimo sa square root 2, 163.84. Then 13.4 square root 2 ay 179.56. Then 14.3 the square root of 2 is 204.49. It equals na total sa tanan sa 9 958.94. So, mo ni siya ang iyang formula. Square root of 2 equals n sigma square root of 2 minus sigma square root 2. I-down ang n, down n, and n minus 1. Square root of 2, mo rin siya the square root, ang kani siyang 9, kani siyang 6, kaning 6,958.94 i-minus nimo sa 75.6 square root of 2. I-kuan nimo siya is kaning 6 kay mo na siyang man sa kaning 5 dili siya gikuha sa 75.6 square root of 2. Mo na siyang nahimo sa 75.6. The next, square root of 2 equals 6.958.94. So, minus 75.6 square root 2 or 6.5. So, mo na siya ang final answer niya is square root of 2, 1.28, then square root of 1.13. So, measure of variation, coefficients of variation. The coefficients of variation is the standard deviation divided by the mean expressed as percentage. So, CVR equals nimo sa S minus X, then nasa points 100%. Use CVR to compare standard deviation with the unit are different. The mean of the number of cells of car over the 3 months period is 87 and the standard deviation niya is 5. Then the mean of the coefficients is 5 alert to 25 and standard deviation is $773. I-compare nyo mo sa solution of the two. So, ang CVR equals nyo na siya 5 minus 87 i-divide nyo mo sa 100%. So, may mo siya 5.75%. Mo na siya i-divide nyo mo sa may mo siya 5.7%. Ayan. Then, ang CVR niya nga kuan na 773 i-divide nimo sa 5,000 kaning 5,000 mo siyang ay 5,225 mo siyang dollar. So i-divide nimo sa 100 ay kuan nimo sa 100%, may mo na siya equals niya is 14.8 mo na siya ang commission niya. Kaning CVR nga pinaka una nga first sample mo na yung cell, then kaning second mo na yung commission niya. Then ang commission are more valuable than cell. Measure of the variation range rule of thumb. The range rule of thumb is approximates the standard deviation as S, then range minus 4 when the distribute is unimodal and approximately symmetric. Use the x minus 2s to approximate the lowest value and x minus plus 2s to approach the highest value in the dataset. So, example niya is minus x equals 10, range equals 12. Then, s, then 12, i-minus nyo sa, and 12, i-divide nyo sa 4, muna siya ang 3. Ang low niya is 10, i-minus sa, 2. 23, 10. Ang 10, i-minus nimo sa, 10, divide 3 equals 4. Then 10 plus 2, then i-pan nimo sa, times nimo sa 3 equals 16. The promotion of value from any data set and fall with k standard deviation of the mean will be at least 1 and 1 equals k2, where the k is number greater than 1, then k is not necessarily an integer. Hashtag for the standard deviation and the minimum population with the standard deviation, then minimum percentage with the standard deviation. So example standard deviation is sa k is 2. Then sa minimum portion niya is k standard deviation is 1. 1 i-minus sa 1.4 equals 3 over 4. So, ang minimum percentage niya with k standard deviation is 75%. So, another example is 3. Ang minimum portion niya is 1.1 over 19 equals nimo sa 8.19. So, ang minimum percentage niya is 88.89. Then, standard deviation again, yung k niya is 4. Then, minimum portion niya is 1 minus 1 over 16 equals 15 over 16. So, minimum percentage niya is 93.75. So, mao na siya ang measure of variation Chebyshev theorem. So, makita nimo diha na siya by graph. So, na at least 88.89%. Then, napod siya at least that 75%. So, mo na siya ang yung bar graph. Sa x.3s, x minus 2s, masyang x. Then, x plus 2s is plus 3s. So, again, mo na nakita ni mo na siya ang minimum percentage niya, mo na siyang gibuhatan kaning minimum percentage without the k standard deviation, 75% and 88%, 88.89% and 93.95%. Mo na siyang gibuhatan o graph. Okay? So, another example is the mean price of houses in the certain neighborhood, $50 and standard deviation of $10. Find the price range for the which of the least 75% of the house will sell. Chebyshev theorem states that at least 75% of a data, this will fall with the 2 standard deviation of the mean. So, mo na siya is the $50 minus 2 and $10 equals $30. Ang $50, i-plus na po nimo sa 2, then na po nimo sa, i-times nimo sa 10, equals $70. No, at least nasa 75% of the homes sold in the area will have price range from $30 and $75. Survey of the local companies found that mean amount the travel allowance of executive was $0.25 per mile. The standard deviation was 0.2 using the Chebyshev theorem from the minimum percentage of the data value that to fall between $0.20 and $0.30. Mo na siya ang iyang formula. So, naa siya instead $30, imo na ang $0.30, imo na siya nimo kuha na siya, pwede na gamiton yung period. So, 30 minus kuha nimo siya 20 minus 25 and over 0, ikuha nimo siya 0 0 2 equals 2.25, then per 25 minus 20, 0 equals to 2.25. So, ang K niya is 2.25. So, another example niya is 1 minus 1, K2 equals 1.1 minus 2.5 square root of 2 equals 0.84. So, makita na gini mo siya sa iyang, iyang total. 0.84. At least na siya 84% of the data value will between 0.20 and 0.30 dollars. So, measure operation empirical roll normal, the percentage of the value from a data set fall within the key standard deviation of the mean in a normal bell-shaped distribution is listed below. So, of the standard deviation of key. So, nana siyang 1. 1 is, ang proportion with standard deviation niya is 68%. Ang 2, muna siya 95% na dayon. Then, ang 3, 99.7%. So, muna ni siya ang 97.7. Nakita ni mo diri ang muna siya ang in key standard deviation muna siya ang gibuhatan og by graph. So, nara 99.7%, 95% o 68%. Muna siya ang empirical rule normal. Muna siyang measure niya sa by graph niya. Mana ni siya. Okay? Next. Ma'am, thank you and good afternoon.